Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the copper golem in Minecraft Bedrock. The copper golem is now an official part of Minecraft, currently available for testing in the Bedrock beta and preview versions. To access this exciting new mob, you'll need to join the beta program for your specific gaming platform or download the dedicated Minecraft preview application. It's crucial to remember to enable experimental features when creating a new world to ensure the golem appears in your game. To bring a copper golem to life, you'll need two key items, one copper block and one carved pumpkin. First, gather 9 raw copper ore from mining, then smelt them into 9 shiny copper ingots using a furnace. Next, craft those 9 ingots into a solid copper block at a crafting table. For the carved pumpkin, simply place a regular pumpkin on the ground and use a pair of sharp shears on it. These essential materials are readily available in your Minecraft world. Once you have successfully gathered all your necessary materials, building your very own copper golem is a straightforward process. Simply place your crafted copper block on the ground in your desired location within your world. Then, take your carved pumpkin and place it directly on top of the copper block. Instantly, your new, adorable copper golem will spawn, accompanied by a special copper chest. The level of oxidation on your copper block will even influence the initial look of your golem, offering some unique visual variety. Your copper golem is more than just a charming companion. It's a highly functional item sorter for your base. It will diligently pick up items from copper chests and then deposit them into nearby regular chests, efficiently sorting up to 16 items at once. Like other copper items in the game, your golem will gradually oxidize over time, eventually transforming into a stationary, decorative statue. You can use an axe to reverse this oxidation process or apply honeycomb to wax it, preserving its current state and preventing any further changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.